My name is Peter O'Brien. My example of the use of evidence is in a career setting. It's development of the Mornington Peninsula Shire's Municipal Wastewater Management Plan, which I developed in 2007, and again that was updated in 2015 and 2018. These plans are required under the Environment Protection Act to manage and minimise the risks posed by septic tank systems. The collation and interpretation of evidence is essential in the development of a wastewater management plan. And septic systems are an on-site wastewater system used when properties do not have sewage available. This includes several townships on the Mornington Peninsula. The wastewater management plan that I developed consists of two sections: a background paper with all of the evidence of risk assessment and management strategies to address these risks based on the evidence that we found. Each plan uses evidence from each township and water catchment to tailor the management strategy to specific areas of the Shire. So evidence that we used included population data, septic system data both by location and type, which was derived from our council GIS system, and we also got evidence from the Bureau of Statistics. I have a couple of specific examples of evidence from the 2007 plan. We have future growth, where we got data from our GIS database on future number of dwellings, and we have another chart here of the groundwater impacts of septic tank systems over time, which was evidence that we used in the plan and as a way to prioritise our actions. So the available evidence we used and obtained was used for a threat assessment for each catchment. So here we have a table of the assessment for the Flinders catchment, which considered evidence such as number of septic systems, lot size, sampling data, survey results and the soil type. From the evidence and threat assessment, we developed action plans, and as you can see, this is the action plan for the Flinders catchment, with actions such as sewage provision and further waterway monitoring. Once completed, it's important that the plan is reviewed and updated every few years. This was done in 2014 using a report card process, with each action graded from A to E using analysis of the updated data from each catchment and township. That's the use of evidence. So here is a picture of the report card for the Flinders catchment. Due to the connection of sewage, the actions were graded as an A. These are public documents so that the community is made aware of the success of these programs. It's very important that the community is kept up to date because ultimately it's their responsibility. Same process was completed in 2018 to develop the 2018 to 2023 wastewater plan, and that was adopted in 2018. Important to mention that the link in for septic tank systems is the sustainable reuse of treated wastewater via irrigation. It's a very important concept, and I think ties in well with my study. Thank you.